Hello student, I am Dr. Pankaj Goyal. Today we discuss the matrix normal form. Last video we discussed about the economic form. Now we discuss the normal form. Rank by normal form. Right? The normal form means to convert a given matrix into identity matrix with some row or column as 0 row or 0 column. Then order of identity matrix will be the rank of the matrix, right? The normal form means convert a given matrix into identity matrix. First we take some example and then we will discuss how to convert a given matrix into normal form. For example, let us suppose I say there is a matrix A and the order of this matrix is 3 cross 3. Let us suppose we say the rank of matrix. First, using rank, we just see the how to write the normal form. How can we just correlate the rank and normal form? Okay, and then we will go to further. Let us suppose the rank of this matrix is, let us suppose 3, and we are saying that normal form means convert a given matrix into identity matrix. If rank is 3, then this matrix will convert in the IR. This IR. This is the first normal form and the rank of matrix will be 3. Now to take the second example, let us suppose we say A is a matrix with order 5 cross 3. The 5 cross 3, if let us suppose we say the rank is 3, then the matrix, if we convert a given matrix into identity matrix, then the identity matrix can be written as IR and this 0. That means some row as 0 and column exhaust with the rank of the matrix. Okay, this is the second normal form. Similarly, let us suppose I say A is a matrix with order 3 cross 4. Okay, and let us suppose rank is 3. If we write the 3 cross 3 identity matrix, one column will remaining, right? In that case, we will write this as IR and some column as 0. It may be one column, it may be two column, it may be four column, right? And the next one is, let us suppose we say A matrix is 3 cross 3 and let us suppose order is 2, then one row and one column remaining, that is 0 row and 0 column. So this matrix can be written as IR 0 like this, 0 0. We say like this. If I write the identity matrix of first one, this can be written as this one, 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. That means all row or column there is no 0 row, no 0 column. In the second case, you can write this matrix as 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. And because there is a 5 row, so the 3 row 2 row will be the 0 row. Okay, and we divide like this. So this is the form of the second. What is the third? The third case, the matrix is like this, 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. And because it is a 3 cross 4, that means one column is 0, like this. So we divide at the identity matrix like this. So this is IR 0. And the last one, you can see that the matrix identity matrix is order 2 because the rank is 2, the R is should be 2. So first write 1 0 0 1 because 3 row 3 column, to write this 0 0 0 0 0 like this, and we divide this one like this. This is the IR 0 0 0. These are the four normal form. The first one, this is the second one, this is the third one, and this is the fourth one, like this. We can write the any matrix in the form of the normal form. Now take the other example. Let us suppose I say A is the matrix that is 4 cross 3. If I am saying the rank is, let us suppose 3, which form should be here? First write the 4 cross 3 and 3 order identity matrix. I can say 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1, and this is 4 row, that means 0 0 0 like this, and 4 row 3 column. Okay, 4 row 3 column. If we divide by identity matrix like this, So this matrix is IR0. That means if we know the rank of the matrix, we can write the normal form of the matrix. Okay, because there is the 4 cross 3, because 3 cross 3 will go here, that means one row will remaining, that means IR0 will be the final normal form. Okay, now with this example, how to convert a given matrix into economic form. How to convert a given matrix into economic form. Let us suppose I say example is equations 1 2 1 2 1 3 2 2, and that is 2 4 3 4, and this is 3 7 4 6. This is the matrix. The question is find rank of matrix using normal form. Using normal form. Okay. Step number 1. How to convert a given matrix into normal form. Step number 1. Step 1. First convert given matrix into economic form. Given matrix into economic form. How to convert a given matrix into economic form? We discussed earlier. Again we discussed this one. Convert this first element as 1 minus 1 or multiple of all the element below this one, right? All the element below this element should be multiple of this one, A11. After that, convert the whole element below this element as 0 with the help of R1. Then freeze R1. Okay? Then comes to this one, this element. Convert this element as 1 minus 1 or all element below this element should be multiple of this one. And below this element, all elements should be 0. Then we come the next element, this one, like this, and then this 0, and now this one, like this. Okay, this is the method to convert a given matrix into economic form. Because the first element is already 1, to apply, convert all element below first element as 0. To apply the operations, R2 change R2 minus R1, R3 change R3 minus 2R1, and this R4 change R4 minus 3R1 using the elementary row transformation. In case of elementary row transformation, you cannot multiply any element to this like this R2, R3 or R4. We cannot multiply any element to this one. Okay, write this. We get 1 2 1 2. R2 minus R1, 1 minus 1 0, 3 minus 2 1, 2 minus 1 1, 2 minus 2 0. R3 minus 2 R1. This R3 minus 2 R1. 2 minus 2 0. 4 minus 4 0. 3 minus 2 1. 4 minus 4 0. Now R3 minus 3 times of R1. 3 minus 3, that is 0. 7 minus 6, that is 1. 4 minus 3, 1. And 6 minus 6, that is 0. We get this one. So step number 1 complete. After this step, the first row and all the element below this element is 0. Now comes to second element. This one. This element is 1. Below all the elements should be 0. Already 1. Apply the operations. R4 change. किसकी हेल्प से? R2 की. R4 minus R2. We get this one. 1 2 1 2. After this step, first row will be free. We will not use first row in any step. That is 0 1 1 0 0 0 1 0. R4 minus R2. 0 0 0 0. Now you can see this one. Okay. Now we come to this element. One below this one. Now we come this, and all the element below this element is already 0. After that we come this one, this is also 0. Well, all the element below this row is 0, all the row below this row is 0, that means this is the equinol form. Now you can see the definitions of equinol form. Equinol form says that the number of continuous 0 from left should be increased in next row up to the column of the matrix. In first row, number of 0 is 0. Second row, 1. Third row, 2. After this 1, we will not count this 0. Only 2. 1, 2, and this is 4. This is the equinol form, right? Because we convert this matrix as equinol form, so you can just find the rank of the matrix. Because the number of non-zero rows is this 1, 2, 3. The number of non-zero rows is 3. Rank is 3. Because this matrix is 4 cross 4. You can see the matrix is 4 cross 4. And rank is 3. Okay? You can write the final answer. You can just write this one, that is I3. After that, 1 column 0, 1 row 0. So this is this form, like this. By seeing this, you can write the final answer. Okay? It's clear or not? Right? Now we come to the next one. Now the step 2. This is the step 1. Now comes the step number 2. After this step 1, we will convert 0 in rows. First we convert 0 in column, now we convert rows with the help of column transformation, right? Now let us suppose this is the first element. Now convert the first element as 1, only 1, by dividing in this column, already 1. After that, convert all the element in front of this 0 with the help of C1. Okay? So write the transformation as C2 change C2 minus 2C1, C3 change C3 minus C1, and C4 change C4 minus 2C1. And the one interesting thing is this, that the other element will not change. You can write directly the matrix because other element will not change. Only the just change the element as 0 and other element write the same element, like 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, like this. Now we come this next one. Now this element is 1. If not 1, then divide in C2 and convert this 1, and all element in front of this as 0 with the help of C2. So apply the operations. Which operation? C2 change, C3 change, C3 minus C2, right? And write the element. Other element will not change. Only the element becomes 0, which we want to convert as 0. 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. This is this one. Now write this and this one. Okay? So this is the normal form. You can see here, we already find the final answer. So this can be written as I3 0, 0, 0. This is the fourth type of normal form. Right? This is the standard normal form. The normal form, order of I is 3. So rank of matrix will be equal to 3. Like this you can convert any matrix into normal form. Again we take the other example. Okay. We take one more example. This is 0, 1, minus 3, minus 1. 1, 0, 1, 1, 3, 1, 0, 2. And this is 1, 1, minus 2, 0. Rank by normal form. Rank by normal form. Right? First convert into Knoll form by the step of 4 Knoll form. We say this one, first element should be 1 minus 1 or multiple of below element and convert all element below the 0. Right? Then come this one, all element below the 0. Then come this one, all element below is 0 and like this. ऐसे में चलो, right? First R1 interchange R2. R1 R2 को interchange कर देते हैं. R1 interchange R2. We get this one as, write this, 1 0 1 1 0 1 minus 3 minus 1 3 1 0 2 1 1 minus 2 0. Write this. Convert all element below this element as 0. Apply the operation this element like this. ओके, R3 चेंज किसके हेल्प से करना है? R1 की हेल्प से. तो R3 चेंज R3 माइनस 3R1 एंड R4 चेंज R4 माइनस R1. राइट दिस मैट्रिक्स. फर्स्ट टू सेम 1 0 1 1. दिस इज 0 1 माइनस 3 माइनस 1. 3 टाइम्स माइनस कर दीजिए. 0 1 माइनस 3 एंड दिस 2 माइनस 3, दैट इज माइनस 1. लास्ट वन 1 माइनस 1 0 1 minus 3 minus 1. We get this one. Okay. So after this step, the first row will be freeze. Now convert this element as 1, already 1, and below this element is 0. You can see all the 3 rows are same. So apply the operations. R3 change R3 minus R2 and R4 change R4 minus R2. Apply this operations. We get this one right here. 1 0 1 1 0 1 minus 3 minus 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 like this. Okay. Now comes this is the Ecknoll form, and then Ecknoll form means rank of the matrix. Rank of the matrix is 2. You can see 2. 2 means I2. 4 row 4 column. So how many row and column will left? 2 row 2 column. That means answer will be fourth form. You can write answer will be the fourth form. This will be the answer. So this is the actually the benefit of Ecknoll form. After Ecknoll form you can write the directly answer, but we will not write, we just think. Okay. Now convert the old element this as 0 with the help of C1. This element is already 1. Okay. Apply this C3 change C3 minus C1 and C4 change C4 minus C1 like this. So write this matrix. All element will be same. After converting Ecknoll form, one benefit is all other element will be same. Okay. 1 0 0 0 0 1 minus 3 minus 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. Now we come to this element, and the element in front of this should be 0. Okay. Apply this C3 change C3 plus C2 and C4 change C4 plus C2. We get from here 1 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0, and this is can be written as I2, and this one 0 0 0 like this. You can write the rank of the matrix. The rank is normal form. First write the normal, it is the normal form. Order of I is 2. Okay. That means rank is 2. So rank this is equal to 2. Clear? Now becomes the inverse of the matrix. We want to find out the inverse, right? This is the inverse of the matrix. Inverse of matrix. Let us suppose A is a matrix n cross n. Okay. If I write I n cross n and this I n cross n, that is equal to A. The first matrix for row transformation, second for column transformation. ठीक है, column transformation, right? So we take either row or column. So always we take the row transformation. So we write I A equal to A. Okay. Convert this right hand side A matrix into identity matrix. This is a symbol. We will not change anything here. This is a symbol. We convert this matrix into I, and corresponding matrix whatever comes here, that is B, and we will say that B is equal to A inverse, because we know the definitions of inverse. If AB equal to I, then you can write B equal to A inverse or A equal to B inverse, right? Now see the step. How can we convert a given matrix? Take example. Let us suppose this 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 1, 1, 2, 4. This matrix. Find inverse. Find A inverse using row transformation. Okay. First write I A equal to A. Right. First write the I, this 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. I write this one. A as a symbol, and this matrix has 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 1, 1, 2, 4. How to convert the given matrix into this one? To step 1. Step number 1. Convert in Econol form. Econol form. Okay. Step number 2. After converting Econol form, you comes this below this one, last element from here. From this, convert this element by row transformation, dividing this as 1 and above this element as 0. Now comes this one, above this element as 0. That means same things from below to upper. Okay. Last row to upper row. First convert the Econol form. So for Econol form, I consider the matrix, combined matrix as, consider combined matrix as 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. एंड यहाँ पे आ जाएगा आपके पास, देखिए 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 1, 1, 2, 4. Now both the operation will be simultaneously, no problem. So apply the operations as R1 interchange R3. R1 R3 interchange कर दीजिए, क्या हो जाएगा बताएं? You can write this 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 4, 0, 1, 0, 4, 3, 1, 1, 0, 0, 2, 3, 4. The first step. Okay. Now convert all the element below this element as 0. Apply the operations. R2 change R2 minus 4 times of R1. R3 change R3 minus 2 times of R1. Like this. Apply this. This is equal to 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 4. 4 times minus कर दीजिए. 0, 1, minus 4, 0, 3 minus 8, that is minus 5, 1 minus 16, that is कितना? Minus 15. Okay, 2 times minus कर दीजिए. 1, 0, दिस इज -2 एंड दिस 2 टाइम्स माइनस करेंगे 0, 2 2 जा 4 0 एंड दिस -4, वी गेट दिस मैट्रिक्स। फर्स्ट स्टेप कंप्लीट हो गया हमारा। अब देखिए यहाँ से दिस वन नेक्स्ट है दिस वन, इसके नीचे पहले से 0 है, हम यहाँ तक आ गए। तो ऑलवेज इन केस ऑफ इनवर्स मैट्रिक्स the rank of matrix will be equal to the order of matrix. So this is the already the economic form, right? Now start from the last step. Start from last step. Okay. Last step is -4. Last step is -4. So divide this -4. Start from here. -4. R3 change -1/4 R3. Okay, start from here and then convert this one as 1 -4. So change this and write, first divide by -4, we get this one. So -1/4 0 1/2 0 0 1. Okay, at the 0 1 -4 0 -5 -15 0 0 1 1 2 4, write this one. Okay, now convert these element as 0, this one as 0. To apply the operation R3 R2 change R2 plus 15 times of R3. Okay, and R1 change R1 minus 4 times of R3, like this. And we will go to one step 1. We will just, after that we comes here and then we get the answer. Okay, write this one. Last two same, -1/4 0 1/2 0 0 1. 15 टाइम्स इसमें ऐड कर दीजिए, यहाँ जाएगा 15 टाइम्स ऐड करके -15/4, यह आ जाएगा 1, 15/2 15/2 एंड ये हो जाएगा 15 60, है ना, 60 से आ जाएगा आपके पास कितना 45. ओके, एंड लाइक दिस यू कैन फाइंड आउट दिस वन 15/2 एंड ये हो जाएगा 8, तो 15 - 8 तो हो जाएगा आपका कितना 7/2. ओके, 7/2 ये 0, ये हो जाएगा -5, ये हो जाएगा 0. 4 टाइम्स ऐड कर दीजिए, 4 टाइम्स माइनस कर दीजिए. 4 टाइम्स माइनस करूँगा, यहाँ आ जाएगा आपके पास +1 0. 4 टाइम्स करेंगे माइनस तो 1 - 2 -1 आ जाएगा. यहाँ पे आपके पास क्या आ जाएगा, ये आ जाएगा आपके पास 1, ये आ जाएगा -2, ये आ जाएगा आपका 0, लाइक दिस. अब क्या करें, अब इसको -5 से डिवाइड कर दीजिए. ओके, अब इसको क्या करें, -5 से डिवाइड कर दें. दिस वन -5 से डिवाइड कर दीजिए. तो R2 चेंज -1/5 R2, ये कर दीजिए. ओके, क्या आ जाएगा बताएं. आई कैन राइट दिस वन. तो लास्ट टू तो हमारी सेम रहेगी, -1/4 0 1/2 0 0 1. -5 से डिवाइड करोगे तो -15/20, तो प्लस हो जाएगा 1/5 माइनस के, राइट. ऐसे आ जाएगा 7/10, ये हो जाएगा 0 1 0. दिस इज 1 0 -1 1 -2 0, लाइक दिस. ये वाला एलिमेंट वो 0 बना देंगे ऊपर वाला, तो यहाँ से हमारे पास इनवर्स फाइंड आउट हो जाएगा. कोई कन्फ्यूजन तो नहीं बताएं. यहाँ पे चेंज कर दे, R1 चेंज R1 plus 2 times of R2, we get this one -1/4 0 1/2 0 0 1. 15/20 कितना हो गया 3×5 = 5/4, राइट। ये हो जाएगा आपका -1/5, ये हो जाएगा -7/10, ये हो जाएगा 0, 1, 0। 2 टाइम्स ऐड कर दीजिए। 2 टाइम्स ऐड करेंगे 5/2, 5/2 2 7/2 आ जाएगा, राइट। 7/2 ये आ जाएगा आपका। 2 टाइम्स ऐड करोगे तो -2/5। तो ये आ जाएगा मेरे पास यहाँ पे। 2 टाइम्स ऐड करेंगे तो -7/5 और -7/5 और ये हो जाएगा आपका -5। प्लस है कि एक मिनट चेक कर लेते हैं, प्लस था कि माइनस था। हाँ, माइनस था, राइट। तो -7/5, राइट। और ये हो जाएगा आपका 5, तो -7 -12, तो यहाँ हो जाएगा -12/5। ये हो जाएगा 1, ये हो जाएगा 0, ये हो जाएगा 0। तो ये जो हमारे पास मैट्रिक्स है, दिस वन, दिस इज द इनवर्स ऑफ ए। So like this you can find out the inverse of any matrix, right? I am giving one questions, you just check the answer of this one. 3 -3 4, 2 -3 4, 0 -1 1. Find A inverse. Just practice these questions. The answer should be, check कर लीजिएगा, I think answer should be this one. 1 -1 0, -2 3 -4, and this is -2 3 -3 is the answer. अब इसको चेक करें आंसर को, ठीक है, एंड सोल्व करके फिर बताएं इसमें। ओके, थैंक यू वेरी मच। इफ यू लाइक माय चैनल देन काइंडली सब्सक्राइब दिस चैनल and also share with your friends. Thank you very much.